What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to quickly change your in-game language for Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up the game and from your main menu, click on the sub-menu icon on the top right. From here, navigate to Game Settings. In your general game settings, scroll down until you find the language settings. At this time, you can change your language to one of these languages, and for some supported languages, it will not change the audio but only the written text within the game. More language options should be available in the future. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.